to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind. Feels so nice.
Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing today and you ran into my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. Where is my Asian crew? Come on guys, today I'm gonna make some shrimp scampi. Like the easiest way to make it, like quick and easy. This is my shrimp and my egg noodles. And here's my sauce, so I don't have to go through the whole thing. And by the way, with this sauce, all you need is your shrimp and oil. 3 ingredients with your pasta, all right? So I'm gonna be going in with some, you know I'm addicted to garlic salt, some red pepper, crushed red pepper, olive oil, some vegetable oil, and some sea salt. I want you guys to come right over to the pot right now because the water is boiling. This is my ingredients. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put 1 little tip of oil in the water, maybe like a teaspoon, with some sea salt. And to this, I'm gonna add my noodles. So this is like 14 ounces, like a little less than a pound. And I'm gonna let this cook for like 7 to 10 minutes, all right? Okay guys, so here's my shrimp. I don't even know how much pound of shrimp this is. So let's say a pound, or a little bit over a pound. Just gonna add some garlic salt to it. All you need is a little bit of salt, red pepper flakes, because I like spice, right? Okay guys, with about a tablespoon of olive oil, you can use butter. I'm gonna add my shrimp, 3 to 5 minutes, just until the shrimp turns pink, all right? Okay guys, now that my shrimp is nice and pink, I'm just gonna add my sauce. Guys, I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit. I'm gonna add just a little bit more pepper to it. Red pepper, crushed red pepper. And I'll see you guys at presentation. Okay guys, so we're at the end of another segment and I'm here to present my delicious shrimp scampi. Enjoy. This is so delicious guys. I mean, it's like 3 recipes and we're all good to go, right? All right guys, enjoy. As you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul, and it's time to feed the soul. So guys, today's scripture will be coming from Proverbs 16, verse 9. When a man ways please at the Lord, he maketh even his enemies to be at peace with him. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, guys, if you want to be happy, stop trying to be perfect. All right, we're not perfect, and that's the way it is. Anywho, I have a surprise for you guys today. Today I'm going to do another fortune cookies, and this number today will be for you guys, not for me. So let's see. You know I need my glasses, right? Okay, grate the cookie. All right. Your dearest wish will come true. All right, that's for you guys. Whatever your wish is, it will come through. And here is your lucky number: 4, 7, 34, 22, 50, 32. Guys, if you win the lottery, please send Fergie's Kitchen her donation. I need my money, all right? Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.